Through mottled sunshine, apple 'neath the oaks, in Appalachian foothills, her spirit woke. Spun yarn tales of miners in the depths unknown, an echo of whispers in the hollow through the loam. They danced on the porch come full moonlight, saw the great bear circle, hearts took flight. Fiddles weave stories on the wind, they float, of struggles and victories by the creek where it slowed. Across the painted rock to the mill down the way, boots heavy with labor yet light with the day. Community a quilt, multicolored and sewn, o'er Appalachian heartland, encased in mountain stone.